Okay guys, welcome to the Mooncoin channel. My name is Sudhara and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video today. Actually today we are not talking about mainly the cryptocurrencies but the Fibonacci tool. What is the Fibonacci tool? Okay, actually guys, we can find out the exact bottoms and exact tops in each cycles of Bitcoin by using the Fibonacci tool. Okay, remember that using the historical data, as I said in my previous videos, we can find the Bitcoin bottom and the tops by using these fib levels. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you that I have already applied Fibonacci scaling into this cycle. You can see here downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. So you can see I have found those values. What are the tops? What are the tops? Okay, what are the tops? I have found that. So we can find the bottoms. Now we don't need to find the tops because we are now, you can see here, we have passed that top, right? Now we are coming to an end. What is the end? We don't know really. We have to find that bottom. So guys, what should we do now? We have to find that exact bottom, guys, exact bottom. So beforehand, I really don't like to just show these charting and show you this is the bottom like that. I don't like to come directly into the point because it is nothing. It is not valuable, guys. I just want to tell you why we are using the Fibonacci level. Why really we do use the Fibonacci levels? Okay, so we have to understand about the value of Fibonacci. So let's dive into Fibonacci first, then we can find out the bottoms using this Fibonacci. Okay guys, Fibonacci, I will show you. So you can see here, okay, this is wonderful article I found. So in this Fibonacci sequence, actually this is a number pattern. Okay, this is a number pattern. So about Fibonacci the man, so you can see here, he is the guy who actually not invented or introduced, it is a pattern already exists in the nature. So he's the guy who found out it, and he is the one who introduced it. But you can see here, Fibonacci was his nickname. Okay, his real name is Leonardo Pisano Bogollo. Okay, so guys, as well as being famous for the Fibonacci sequence, he helped spread Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, that is the numbers we are now using, and through Europe in place of Roman numerals. So guys, you can see what he has done. So he's not just a simple man, right? So he introduced this Fibonacci numbers. So now we are using these numbers, not the numbers but the pattern, this pattern into a charting, and we are going to find out the bottoms and peaks or the tops. Okay guys, let's see what is this pattern actually is. Okay, you can see here, the Fibonacci sequence is the series of number. So you can see 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, like that. 8 plus 13, 21, 13 plus 21, 34, like that. So the next number in the sequence is 21 plus 34. It is equals to 55, guys. Okay, now I think you understood the pattern. Actually, this is a really simple pattern, right? It is not a big issue. Okay, so guys, but the outcome we are getting this from this Fibonacci sequence is really massive, guys. It is really massive. Okay guys, now I am step by step coming to the point, guys. Actually, by using these numbers, if we make squares with those widths, we get a nice spiral, guys. You can see here the spiral. Okay, 1 plus 2, 2 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3 5, like that. So if we made a square with these widths, okay, then we get a nice spiral. So that is how this spiral is made. Okay, this spiral is made from these Fibonacci numbers, guys. Wow, That is really nice. Okay, so it is, now you can understand it has make a spiral using these widths, okay, by making the squares. So we can find these spirals in our nature, guys, because Fibonacci is actually, Fibonacci is itself is the nature. Okay, Fibonacci is the nature, so we can find that nature. Yeah, we can find it in the nature. So you can see here, guys, here that pattern I previously showed here in sunflowers, and you can see here our DNAs and all the other things. Okay, guys, our Milky Way even. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is really a very interesting topic, Fibonacci. Okay, this is it is just not a simple number sequence, but we can apply it in our day-to-day in our day-to-day life also, and in our nature. So I think you got the point. Even here in our fingerprints also the Fibonacci is there, guys. Okay, so we have lived in a world of Fibonacci, right? In a world of Fibonacci, it is always it has always been with us, but we haven't found it. Most of us haven't found it. Now we found this, so now we are going to apply this into our Bitcoin market. Okay, guys, beforehand I want to emphasize you that there is a rule. Okay, the Fibonacci sequence can be written as a rule. First the terms are numbered from 0 onwards like this. Okay, there's a rule, guys, in these each of these number sequence, in each of these numbers. Okay, there is a rule. Rule mean it, all of these numbers are directed into a one number, approximately. Even what did I say? Right, like it is like this, guys. Okay, there is a rule called the golden ratio. Okay, when we take any two successive Fibonacci numbers, their ratio is very close to the golden ratio, which is approximately 1.618034. Remember, guys, if you are continuing watching my videos, you can't ignore this number. You will find this number continuously, guys. So 1.618 is the golden ratio. Remember that. I will find out the bottom in the next video of the Bitcoin market by using this 1.618 golden ratio of the Fibonacci. So you have to remember 1.618. Okay, so you can see each pairs. Okay, so 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34. So what he has done here, it is divided 3 divided into 2 and 1.5, 5 divided into 3 1.66, 8 divided into 5 1.6. so that number sequence, the two successive numbers are divided, right? You can see here Fibonacci numbers, their ratio, they have taken the ratio. So the ratio is always coming to a one number, 1.625, 1.6, like that, 1.618. In fact, the bigger the pair of Fibonacci numbers, the closer the approximation. Okay, so the numbers are, if the numbers are getting bigger, then the closer the approximation. That means it is close to 1.618. It is getting close to 1.618 once the pair of Fibonacci numbers are getting bigger. So guys, 1.618 is the golden ratio. That is the point I wanted really you to learn. Okay, don't forget it, golden ratio. So in this sequence of numbers, each numbers anyway, in different methods, it is actually directed into the golden ratio. Okay, so golden ratio is the key or the rule of Fibonacci sequence. So guys, we are going to apply Fibonacci sequence into our Bitcoin market, and we are going to find out the exact bottom and the exact top of the next bull run by using this golden ratio of the Fibonacci in the next video. See you there, guys. Bye.